Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Physics Past Question 28. A man of mass 50 kg ascends a flight of stairs 5 meter high in 5 seconds. Now, if acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 10 meter per second square, find the power of the man. A says 100 watts, B 200 watts, C 250 watts, D 400 watts, and E 500 watts. Now remember, power is defined as the rate of doing work, or you can say power is the time rate at which work is done. Now power P is equals to work done all over time taken, and like you know, work done is equals to force times distance all over, then power is equals to force times distance over time. This force times distance here represents work done, and this is also equals to mgh all over time. Now looking at this, I think this mgh over t will be more suitable for this calculation. So P is equals to mgh all over t, and that is equals to mass, which is 50, times g, which is 10, times the height, which is 5, all over the time, which is 5 seconds. 5 cancel 5, so we have 5 times 10 to give us 500 watts. So the power is 500 watts, and that is option E. Thank you, and ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.